Hi guys, what's up? Welcome to my vlog. My name is Jeff. For today's video, meron tayong masarap na ulam para sa ating breakfast. Meron tayong sinikang na bisugo with maraming fresh gulay. Meron pa tayong fresh squeezed orange juice and combined onion and green tea para sa ating hot drinks. Para sa ating sinikang na bisugo, hugasan natin ang ating fish ng maigi at ang iba pa nating mga ingredients. Magpapakulo tayo ng water, magandang maraming sibuyas, luya, kamatis, konting bawang, 5 pirasong cloves, slice of green chili. Nag-add pa tayo ng slice of gabi and carrots. Antayin lang natin maging malinamnam guys, and ilalagay natin ang ating sinikang mix. I-add natin ang ating mga gulay. Meron tayong sitaw, eggplant, and yung ating lettuce. Huli natin ilalagay ang ating lettuce guys. Combine natin, i-add natin ang ating fresh fish. Sabay-sabay na silang maluto guys. Ang sarap talaga ng ating sinikang na bisugo. Sabaw pa lang guys ay napakayami na ulam na ito. And pag naluto na, i-add natin ang ating lettuce. So huli natin ilalagay, madali lang ito maluto. Mag-ready tayo ng lagayan. Luto na ang ating ulam para sa ating breakfast. Masarap na sinikang na bisugo. Gagawa tayo ng ating cold drinks. Yung ating fresh squeezed orange juice. Ang ating hot drinks, gawa tayo guys. Onion tea combined with green tea. Slice of onion, loya, konting bawang, 5 pirasong clove, pamintang buo, and nag-add pa tayo ng ating turmeric powder and fresh milk. Papakuloyin lang natin ito guys. Meron na tayong so healthy hot drinks. Food is ready for masarap na breakfast. Meron pa tayong assorted fruits. Meron tayong banana, apple, kiwi, avocado, and orange. Para sa ating main dish, yung ating masarap na sinigang na bisugo with fresh gulay. Nagre-craving talaga ako ngayon guys ng masarap na sinigang na isda. Cold drinks, yung ating fresh squeeze orange juice, so healthy, and hot drinks. Healthy combined onion tea and green tea with turmeric powder and fresh mint leaf. And guys, please don't forget to follow, like, comment, and share. You can also subscribe too. Kain tayo guys. Let's enjoy the food, and thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Bye bye. Ingat po.